warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the 11th meeting of our Bahasa Inggris and Computer subject. Our topic today is about word processing features. Without further ado, let's get started. This lesson is derived from the CPMK, which is mahasiswa mampu menyimak, memahami, dan mensimulasikan teks lisan dan tulisan terkait dengan word processing features dengan baik dan benar. For this meeting, we are focusing on a listening and speaking skill. As the beginning, take a look at this picture. What can you see in this picture? What picture is it? It is a word processing pictures, the steps of word processing. So, what is word processing? In terminology, word processing means an act of using computer to create, edit, save, and print documents. Jadi word processing itu maknanya adalah tindakan menggunakan komputer dengan tujuan untuk membuat atau menciptakan, mengedit, menyimpan, dan mencetak sebuah dokumen. Nah, in word processing, it needs specialized software, for example, Microsoft Word. Dalam word processing ini, kita membutuhkan software khusus yang biasa dipakai pada saat sekarang ini adalah Microsoft Word. So, this is the steps of word processing. We can create, menciptakan, we can edit the document, we can save it, and also we can print it. So this is the steps of word processing. Okay, take a look at this second picture. Where do you usually find this interface? This is the interface of word processor in Microsoft Word software. So, do you know each features of this Microsoft Word interface? Pay attention to these features. There are many features of Microsoft Word interface here. Quick access toolbar, ribbon tabs, title bar, window control, help button, and also ruler button, browse button, zoom tools, and also text area where you can edit or type your task here. So there are many features. As an informatica students, you already know the function of each features, right? So I just want to introduce to you, just to remind you about these features of Microsoft Word interface. Okay, now we have a listening task here. You will listen to the audio from two friends, Anna and Ben, talking about cut and paste technique. Jadi nanti akan didengarkan audio percakapan antara Anna dan Ben mengenai teknik cut and paste. Nah, jadi tugas Anda adalah mendengarkan audio dari listening ini, kemudian isilah gap ini, isilah titik-titik ini berdasarkan audio yang Anda dengar. Oke, jadi tugas ini nanti akan Anda kumpulkan dalam e-learning pada tugas meeting 11. Oke, I will play the audio. Please pay attention and listen carefully.
Unit 14, Task 3.
Ben, do you know how I can move this paragraph? I want to put it at the end of this page.
I think so. First, use the mouse to select the text you want to move. Then choose the Cut command from the Edit menu.
Like this?
Yes, the selected text disappears and goes onto the clipboard. Now you find where you want the text to appear and you click to position the insertion point there.
OK. Is that right?
Yes, if that's where you want it. Next, choose Paste from the Edit menu or hold down Ctrl and press V. Finally, check that the text has appeared in the right place.
OK. I've done that now. Is that everything?
Yes, that's it. If you make a mistake, you can choose Undo from the Edit menu, which will reverse your last editing command.
Brilliant. Thanks a lot.
That's okay. It's my pleasure.
Come to the speaking skill in instruction. Jadi untuk tema speaking hari ini adalah tentang cara memberikan, ekspresi memberikan dan mengikuti instruksi. Nah, bagaimana cara kita memberikan atau mengikuti instruksi yang diberikan oleh seseorang. So, in giving instruction, we use the imperative form of the verb and sequence words such as first, next, then, after that, finally, and etc. Jadi, ketika kita ingin memberikan instruksi, kita bisa menggunakan bentuk kata kerja imperatif atau kata kerja perintah, serta menggunakan sequence word atau kata urutan. Seperti first pertama, next selanjutnya, dan kemudian after that setelahnya, finally terakhir atau pada akhirnya. For example, first, use the mouse to select the text. Pertama, gunakan mouse untuk memilih teks. Then, choose the cut command from the edit menu. Kemudian pilih cut command dari menu edit. Next, choose paste from the edit menu. Kemudian pilih paste dari menu edit. Finally, check that the text has appeared in the right place. Terakhir, cek atau periksa bahwa teks telah muncul di tempat yang benar. Okay, we can also use the present simple with you. Selain menggunakan kata kerja imperatif atau perintah atau kata urutan, kita juga bisa menggunakan kalimat present simple dengan kata you. Seperti, now you find where you want the text to appear and you click the position to position the insertion point. Jadi kita gunakan kata you dan kata kerja you find, you click. Nah, selain ini bisa juga kita gunakan present simple with you. Ini contohnya. Nah, ini adalah giving instruction, memberikan instruksi kepada seseorang. Nah, bagaimana ekspresi jika kita mengikuti instruksi seseorang, memastikan kalau kita paham. Nah, first, if you want to check that you have understood instruction, you can use expressions like. Nah, kalau kita ingin mengecek atau menentukan apakah kita sudah paham instruksi tersebut atau telah mengikuti instruksi dengan benar, kita menggunakan ekspresi seperti like this, seperti ini, is that right? Apakah ini benar? Nah, lalu, if you want to signal that you are ready to move on to the next step, you can use expression like, okay, I've done that now. Okay, I've done that now. What's next? Nah, kalau kita ingin memberikan sinyal, kalau kita siap untuk mendengarkan instruksi berikutnya atau langkah berikutnya, ekspresi yang bisa kita gunakan adalah, okay, I've done that now. Oke, saya sudah selesai. What's next? Apa langkah berikutnya? Nah, yang terakhir, if you want to ask if the process is completed, you can use expression like, is that everything? Anything else? Nah, jika kita ingin menanyakan apakah proses atau instruksi tersebut telah selesai, ekspresi yang bisa kita gunakan adalah, Is that everything? Apakah itu saja? Anything else? Ada yang lain? Nah, jadi ini adalah ekspresi yang bisa kita gunakan dalam giving and following instruction. Now, I have a conversation between Tom and Juan here. Di sini ada percakapan antara Tom dan Juan yang ada ekspresi giving and following instruction-nya. Okay, I will read it first. Pay attention. I need a photo for my curriculum vitae. How do I insert one into this Word document? Well, now choose insert on the menu bar. Like this? Yes, from the insert menu, select pictures. As you can see, this displays a drop-down menu with different options. Clip art from file, from scanner, chart, and etc. Select from file and you will get a dialog box. Okay, I've done that now. What's next? Now it navigates you to your hard drive's content and find the picture that you want to insert. Right, I'd like to insert this one. Okay, good. Now click insert and the photograph will be inserted into your document. Here it is that right? Yes, next, right-click with the mouse and select Format Picture to adjust the size and other properties. Brilliant, thanks. So this is the conversation that have a giving and following instruction expression. Now, your second task is speaking task. Jadi tugas Anda yang kedua adalah tugas speaking. Nah, instruksinya adalah determine the giving instruction and following instruction words from the conversation. You can fill in the words on the table below. Jadi, dalam percakapan ini ada ekspresi giving and following instruction. Silahkan Anda salin kembali mana yang termasuk ke dalam giving instruction dan mana yang following instruction. Jika nomornya berlebih atau nomornya kurang, Anda bisa tambahkan sendiri nantinya. Nah, tugas ini Anda kerjakan dalam satu file dengan tugas listening tadi dan disubmit dalam e-learning STKI PPGRI Sumatera Barat dalam tugas meeting 11. Okay. So that's all about our meeting explanation today, meeting 11. So I hope you will understand about the material well and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.